Hello everyone, and welcome back to Simple English Learning. Let me start with a question. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the amount of English you should study? Grammar rules, long vocabulary lists, multiple apps, endless YouTube videos, you try everything, but your progress feels slow. If that's you, here's the truth. You don't need more. You need less, but better. That's why today's episode is called The Minimalist Plan, a 30-day roadmap to accelerate your English. Instead of trying to do everything at once, I'll give you a simple, focused plan you can follow for 1 month. With just 30 days of consistent practice, you'll see real improvement in your listening, speaking, vocabulary, and confidence. By the end of this podcast, you'll have a clear roadmap, a daily routine that is realistic, powerful, and motivating. So, let's begin. Why a minimalist plan works. Before we dive into the roadmap, let's understand the philosophy behind it. 1. Less is more. If you try to do too much, you burn out. If you focus on a few key activities, you get better results. 2. Consistency beats intensity. Studying 2 hours one day and then nothing for a week doesn't work. Even 20 minutes a day, every day, is far more effective. 3. Balance of skills. You need input, listening and reading, and output, speaking and writing. A minimalist plan balances both without overloading you. Think of this plan like a workout routine. You don't need to exercise all day. You just need to train the right muscles, regularly. The 30-day roadmap. This roadmap is divided into 4 weeks, each with a specific focus. Every day, you'll spend about 30-40 minutes on English. That's all. Week 1. Building the foundation days. 1-7. Focus. Listening and vocabulary. Daily routine. 1. Listen 10 minutes. Choose a short podcast or video. 1, 3 minutes. Listen twice. First for the main idea, then with subtitles or transcript. 2. Vocabulary. 10 minutes. Write down 5 useful words or phrases from the audio. Make your own sentences with them. 3. Speak 10 minutes. Retell the audio in your own words. Don't worry about mistakes, just speak. Goal for week 1. Build the habit of daily listening and speaking. Week 2. Speaking with confidence days, 8-14. Focus. Speaking and pronunciation. Daily routine. 1. Shadowing 10 minutes. Choose a clip of a native speaker. Repeat exactly what they say, matching rhythm and intonation. 2. 1-minute response. 10 minutes. Answer a simple question aloud for 1 full minute. For example, what did you do yesterday? 3. Record yourself. 10 minutes. Record your answer and listen. Notice mistakes, improve, and repeat. Goal for week 2. Train your mouth and ears to work together so you can speak more fluently and naturally. Week 3. Understanding in depth days, 15-21. Focus. Active listening and grammar in context. Daily routine. 1. Dictation 10 minutes. Play a 30-second clip and write down exactly what you hear. Check with the transcript. 2. Grammar in context. 10 minutes. Notice 1 grammar structure in the clip. Write 3 sentences using it. 3. Summarize aloud. 10 minutes. Say the main idea of the clip in your own words. Goal for week 3. Train accuracy, notice details, understand grammar naturally, and practice reproducing ideas clearly. Week 4. Real-life practice days, 20-30. Focus. Fluency and application. Daily routine. 1. News or story. 10 minutes. Listen or read 1 short news story or article. 2. Summarize plus opinion, 15 minutes. First, summarize the story. Then, give your opinion. I think because. 3. Q&A. Practice. 10 minutes. Prepare 3-5 questions about the story and answer them aloud. Goal for week 4. Connect English to real life. Practice expressing opinions and build fluency. Example daily plan, 30 minutes. To make it even clearer, here's what one day might look like. 10 minutes. Listen to a podcast episode, e.g., BBC Learning English. 10 minutes. Write down 5 new phrases, make sentences. 10 minutes. Speak for 1 minute about your day, record and listen. That's it, 30 minutes. Simple, realistic, powerful. Tracking progress. A 30-day plan only works if you track progress. Here's how. 1. Keep a journal. Write 1 sentence every day about what you learned. 2. Record weekly. Once a week, record yourself speaking for 2-3 minutes. At the end of 30 days, compare your recordings. 3. Celebrate small wins. Notice if you understand more words, speak faster, or feel more confident. Progress may feel small day by day, but after 30 days, you'll be surprised by the difference. Tips for success. Be consistent. 30 minutes a day is better than 2 hours once a week. Focus on quality, not quantity. Don't try to memorize 50 words, just 5 useful ones. Don't aim for perfection. Mistakes are part of the process. Stay motivated. Choose materials. You enjoy songs, news, YouTube videos. Why this plan works. The reason this 30-day roadmap is effective is because it combines input listening and reading to feed your brain, output speaking and writing to train your expression, repetition and reflection to make learning automatic. It's minimalist. You're not overloaded, but it's powerful because you're practicing every key skill consistently. Conclusion. So, let's review the Minimalist Plan, a 30-day roadmap to accelerate your English. Week 1, listening plus vocabulary. Week 2, speaking plus pronunciation. Week 3, active listening plus grammar in context. Week 4, real-life practice plus fluency. Just 30 minutes a day for 30 days. That's all it takes to see real progress. Remember, you don't need more textbooks, more apps, or more complicated grammar explanations. You just need a clear plan, consistent practice, and the right mindset. Thank you for joining me today on Simple English Learning. If you're ready to take action, try this 30-day roadmap and let me know in the comments. Which part of the plan excites you the most? And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.